On today's episode of Tales from a Whiteboard, we're setting up social media calendars. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your business and interacting with customers. But how do you go about creating a calendar that helps you stay organized and maximizes your interactions? We've got you covered. Here are 4 helpful tips for setting up your calendar to drive engagement. Tip number 1, do your research. First things first, picking the right platform. Each has its own purpose and is home to different customers and competitors. For example, if you're trying to engage with business professionals, you'll want to lean into LinkedIn rather than TikTok. Understanding the purpose of each platform and the people that frequent them helps you hone in on what types of content you should make and who it should be made for. Tip number 2, find the right saturation. Visibility is important, but it's also easy to annoy potential customers by being seen as spammy. Consider posting less frequently, once or twice a day is fine, and using other tools on social media like stories to avoid overloading your followers. Tip number 3, use auto-posting software. Auto-posting software can help your audience stay engaged while you handle the day-to-day of running a business. Businesses both large and small can take advantage, with plans ranging from about $100 to $800 a month. You can create content in batches and have it released week after week without ever needing to stop what you're doing to review social strategy. Tip number 4, coordinate with your business goals. For social media to really impact your business, you have to treat it with respect and care. Letting social strategy go to the wayside can prevent you from reaching key audiences and stunt the growth of your business. Have dedicated planning sessions to maximize the efficiency of your social strategy. Have a promotion this month? Be sure to post about it. Holidays, important events, trending topics, these are all post-worthy. So what do these tips tell us? Building a social media calendar requires careful planning, but it doesn't need to be a pain to execute, and it can help bring out the best in your business. Follow these tips, and soon, you'll be a social media pro.